Welcome to your channel Psychology Simplified. What is lifestyle? Lifestyle is a way or a style of living. So basically, when we need to reset our lifestyle, we may follow the ahead points. Have a daily routine. This allows the nervous system to relax. Your routine should incorporate all the important elements of your life. Try to include the most important ones early in the day before other events of life obstruct your efforts. Have an exercise routine that is appropriate for your current condition. If you are too thin, a gentle, stretchy form of yoga. If you are too heavy, more vigorous forms of exercises like strenuous forms of yoga or jogging are more appropriate. Meditation allows a minimum of a few minutes a day when you feel free of responsibility. It also affords a sense of communion with yourself and the divine. This is one of the best ways to calm the nervous system. Calming the nervous system means fewer stress hormones in the bloodstream. If you are extra stressed and have no contraindications, practice some gentle pranayama. Don't trust your cravings until you are balanced and healthy. One needs to educate self on current condition and the appropriate lifestyle and dietary choices. Digest emotions as you do food. Buried, denied, or unprocessed emotions become mental sludge in the same way that undigested food becomes physical sludge. End or improve any toxic or strained relationships. Eliminating poisons means to removing alcohol, cigarettes, tobacco, ill habits, etc. Respecting body's natural urges means when you are truly hungry, then eat. When you are truly thirsty, drink. When you are truly tired, rest. Surrender to the pace and needs of your body. We have forgotten to laugh, and laughter is the best medicine. We need to engage in mentally stimulating but not stressful activities. Do less multitasking and give more full attention to one thing at a time. Reduce your television watching time. Only put on your skin that you would consider putting in your mouth. So by following these points, and you can add more points to reset your lifestyle as per your own healthy choices. Please share, subscribe, like and comment for new issues.